Well, hey everybody, it's Otter Redneck here. So today I wanted to show you what I carry when I'm out in the woods turkey hunting. Now I tend to go pretty light. I don't carry a lot of extra stuff, but I do carry the essentials. Okay, starting up here at the top is my Remington 870. It's a pump chambered in 3.5 inch. That's the gun I use turkey hunting. And I typically carry anywhere from 5 to 10 3.5 inch shells. Right now I got 5, just so I got a couple extra. I also carry a slate call and 2 strikers. Now you might ask why I carry 2 strikers, because last year I was only carrying 1 and I put it into my coverall pocket, not knowing there was a hole in the bottom of it, and I lost my striker. So now I've been carrying 2. In case I lose one, I got another in my pack. I also have a little scratch pad so I can clean up the slate here in case it gets oily or wet. Camo gloves. Camouflage hat with a visor. Just a little 4-sided setup, quick pop out little blind. And of course a backpack. And a pop-up seat. This little pop-up seat is real easy to carry. And it's comfortable. Leans right back on the tree, sits right down on the ground, keeps those rocks and sticks out of you. And obviously, cookies. Usually I got water or coffee, maybe an apple or 2. And obviously, there we go. The best part about the kit, TP. You never know what's going to happen out there. So always carry that with you too. So yeah, besides the camouflage coveralls that I'm wearing, that's my kit. It's pretty light, pretty simple. Just the basics, just the minimum. No fuss, no muss. All right. You guys have a great day.